Hello. In today's video, I will show you how to change your desktop background in just a few simple steps. First of all, if you are not sure, the desktop is the main screen where all your icons are located. Now, let's customize it. Step 1. Open Personalization settings. Right-click anywhere on an empty space on your desktop. A menu will appear. Step 2. Choose a new background. In the top right corner, you can select the theme to apply, which is already pre-installed in your Windows 11. Click on the one of the default images to apply it instantly. If you want to set a custom wallpaper, click Personalize, Background, Browse. Next, select an image or folder from your files and click Choose Picture or this folder. Your new background will be applied. That's it. Your desktop is now personalized with your favorite image. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.